We're up here in Alta Sierra at the crest, the top of the ski lift, and this is kind of a panorama view from up here. Off to the left is Oildale, Bakersfield, and off to the right, going back down the mountain, is towards Lake Isabella. Quite a panorama up here. Quite a view. And I hiked up here, and this old ski lift right here, it's pretty steep. Probably can't tell from the video, but you can tell walking up the hill how steep it is.